Seedance 2.0 is the latest Chinese model for video creation, and you can create multi-shot, professional videos up to 15 seconds long with just a single prompt. It's currently taking over the internet. I've finally found a website that lets you use Seedance 2.0. First, go to this website and sign up. After signing up, you'll get 200 credits for free. Now, simply write your prompt. You can also add a reference image. If you haven't purchased any plan or extra credits, make sure to select the Seedance 2.0 Fast model. With the free credits, you can create a 7-second video. I've pasted my prompt and clicked the Generate button. It will take a little time and your video will be ready. Okay, our video is finally ready. Now let's check the result. If you want the website link, check the description. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe.